Today I want to share a very easy homemade soup that is perfect to make at home and has a very high success rate. 3-ingredient fresh soup. Its biggest features are a milky white soup color and a rich, savory taste. Even beginners can make it easily. First, let's talk about the ingredients. You need 3 eggs, which are the key to making the soup flavorful. Also prepare 1 sausage, a piece of tofu, a few mushrooms, and some green vegetables. Before cooking, slice the mushrooms, cut the tofu into cubes, wash the vegetables, and slice the sausage. This helps keep everything organized while cooking. The first step is frying the eggs, and this step is very important. Add some oil to the pan. When the oil is hot, crack in the 3 eggs. Cook over medium-low heat and do not rush to flip them. Wait until one side is set and golden. Then turn them over. Fry both sides for about 3 minutes each. It's okay if the eggs are a bit well done, they will be more fragrant and help create a milky white soup. After the eggs are fried, the key step comes. Pour hot boiling water directly into the pan. Make sure it is boiling water, not cold water, or the soup color and flavor will be much weaker. Pour slowly along the side of the pan to avoid hot oil splashing. After adding the water, gently cut the eggs into small pieces with a spatula. This helps release more flavor into the soup. Then add the sausage, tofu, and mushrooms together. Simmer over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. You will see the soup slowly turn white, and the aroma will fill the kitchen with a warm, comforting smell. The final step is seasoning and finishing. Add salt, black pepper, and a little fish powder according to your taste. Do not add too much at once. Taste first and adjust. After seasoning, add the green vegetables and cook for another 2 minutes. Do not overcook them so they stay slightly crisp. This soup looks simple, but it tastes really good. The aroma of the eggs, the freshness of the mushrooms, and the softness of the tofu blend perfectly together. After drinking it, your stomach feels warm and comfortable. If you don't know what soup to make or want a homemade soup that won't fail, you should definitely try this recipe. That's all for today's sharing. If you like simple homemade recipes like this, save it and follow it next time you want a bowl of soup.